Why would you stay in a relationship that doesn't fulfill you? Why would you stay in a relationship of which you feel, something's missing? It was beautiful in the start, but then things started to change. Why would you stay in a relationship when you ask your partner for reassurance and you're not receiving the reassurance you're looking for? I want to make something clear. When you express your feelings, do you do that vulnerably, or do you shame and do you blame? Because if you shame and blame, your partner is not able to receive your pure expression of your feelings. Your gift as a woman, as a feminine part in a relationship, your gift is to express your feelings without steering for a specific outcome. And I know we are brought up in a society that is focused on goals and outcome, and that's also what I teach when it comes to goals, but it's not what I teach when it comes to expressing feelings. When it comes to expressing feelings, you do that because it fulfills you to just express your feelings, because that's your gift to the masculine. And when you do so with shaming and blaming, when you feel your needs are not fulfilled, and you express that in a way of being disappointed, but you don't express the feeling of disappointment, no, you express the blame and the shame, then your partner is not going to receive that. Your partner will be repelled to react a specific way, will be repelled to hear your message. So this is why I say, please be aware that if you express your feelings, no, not if, when you express your feelings, that you do that in a vulnerable way, and you make sure you connect to your body, and you make sure you feel that feeling, and that's what you express. And if your partner wants to know more, he will ask. And if he doesn't know, if he doesn't ask to know more, then you can always ask if it's okay to ask for help. You can always ask for help with that. Communication is a very important part of relationship, and most likely we were not having the examples in our lives to show us that. So this is a very small contribution, but a very important one. So you get the benefits from a very important part in your communication to contribute to a relationship where you are heard and seen, because you receive that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If this resonates with you, drop a heart in the comments. If you have a friend or a family member you would like to share this with, and please do so, and subscribe. There's a bell sign, by the way. Click it so you get notified every time a new video comes out. Because I am dedicated to get you very clear on your soul's calling and how to live exactly that. Because what happens? You become your true self. And that's your biggest gift you can ever give yourself and your beloved ones in this lifetime. Ciao. Talk to you very soon. Bye bye.